Debunking the myth, the perfect female body type.
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to discuss the concept of the perfect female body type. Specifically, we'll be addressing the question, is a 3-6-2-4-3-6 figure considered the perfect body type for women? This is a popular belief, but is it really true? Let's explore this topic together.
What is the 3-6-2-4-3-6 figure?
The 3-6-2-4-3-6 figure refers to the measurements of the bust, waist, and hips respectively, in inches. This ratio has often been portrayed in media and popular culture as the ideal, or perfect, female body shape. It's commonly associated with an hourglass figure, which is characterized by a wide bust, a narrow waist, and wide hips of a similar size to the bust.
The concept of perfect.
When talking about the perfect body, we must first understand that the idea of perfection is highly subjective and culturally influenced. Different societies and time periods have favored different body types. For example, during the Renaissance, full-bodied women were considered the pinnacle of beauty. In contemporary Western culture, a thin body type is often idealized, while in some African and South American cultures, a fuller figure is preferred. Therefore, the concept of a perfect body is largely a social construct, and what is considered perfect can change over time and between cultures.
Health versus aesthetics.
Another important consideration is health. A person's health cannot be determined solely by their body measurements. Having a 3-6-2-4-3-6 figure doesn't necessarily mean a woman is healthier than someone with different measurements. Health is multifaceted and includes physical fitness, mental well-being, and absence of disease, none of which can be accurately assessed through body measurements alone.
Body positivity and acceptance.
In recent years, there has been a growing movement towards body positivity and acceptance. This movement encourages people to accept and love their bodies regardless of societal standards of perfection. It emphasizes that all bodies are different and unique, and that's something to be celebrated. Every individual's body type is perfect for them. In conclusion, while a 3-6-2-4-3-6 figure might be considered ideal by some societal standards, it's crucial to understand that these standards are subjective and ever-changing. The perfect body type doesn't exist because perfection is a concept, not a measurement. Health and well-being are far more important than fitting into a specific shape or size. And remember, body positivity and acceptance are key. We hope this video has been helpful and insightful. Thanks for watching.